Welcome to Tantric Tuesday, your weekly bite-sized pleasure moment. Pleasure Coach Vireo. Today I want to invite you to listen to the sound of your heartbeat and listen to the sound of a drum. If you have a drum, or you can look up on YouTube, the sound of your heartbeat. Just take some time to go into stillness, to just listen to the sound of your heartbeat. And it's going to bring you pleasure because it's just going to soften you into the moment, into more presence. Even if you just set a timer several times through the day and just pause and just feel and listen to your heartbeat. Remember, pleasure matters. Pleasure nourishes your vital organs. It is not frivolous. See you next week.